morning, children. Till the previous class, you people studied the first chapter, natural numbers and whole numbers. That chapter is over. On that chapter, you are going to write an unit test from next week onwards. Now, we are going to start the chapter number 2, factors and multiples. Now, today, you are going to learn the introduction of the factors and multiples. First, what is the multiples? You are going to learn what is the multiples. For getting multiples of a number, we recite the multiplication table of the number. What is multiples? Normally from first standard we are reciting the tables. Multiples of 2 means you have to say the 2 tables. Multiplication of 3 means 3 table. Now, I will give an example. Multiples of 4. What is that? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40 and go on. Okay children, for getting multiples, that is you want to find the multiples of 4 of a number, you have to recite the multiplication table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, like that. You have to recite the table. Whatever number they are asking, you have to recite the particular number table, you will get the multiples. Now, we will move to the factors. What is called a factor? A factor of a number divides the number exactly with 0 as the remainder. Which is the remainder? 0 as the remainder. A factor of a number divides the number exactly. Example, you see, I want to find out the factor of 12. Now, here 112 is 12. 12 can divide it by 2, no? Yes. 2 6 are 12. Then again 3 4s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 6 2s are 12. Then 12 1s are 12. Now, which are all numbers we are using to multiple this number and got the 12? Otherwise, use the number to divide the 12, the remainder getting as 0. Those numbers are called factors. Now, what are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Understood children? What is the factor means? Now, we will move to the third concept. What is called prime number? A number which has only 2 different factors. You learn what is factors. 2 different factors, that is 1 and the number itself is called prime number. What is prime number? A number which has only 2 different factors. Not the same factor, 2 different factors. That is 1 and the number itself is called prime number. Now, we will write the example 2. 2 1s are 2, 1 2s are 2. So, here you will get 1 and 2 as a factor. Now, 3. 1 and 3. 1 3s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Can we take 4? No. Why? Because 4 1s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 1 4s are 4. You will get more than 2 factors. Now, we will take 5. 5 1s are 5, 1 5 is 5. Like this, which are all numbers getting 1 and number itself as a factor is called a prime number. Now, we are going to see what is composite number. What is composite number? A number which has more than 2 different factors is called composite number. Prime number only 2 factors. Composite number should have more than 2 different factors. Shall we see an example? Now, I will take 4. Here, how many factors? 1, 4 is 4. 4 can divide it by 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 1s are 4. Now, how many factors are there for 4? 1, 2, 4. So, it has more than 2 different factors. I will take 9. Now, 1 9 is 9. 3 3s are 9. 9 1s are 9. So 1, 3, 9. These two examples have more than 2 factors. Each one got 3 factors. So, these numbers are called composite numbers. Understood, children? A number which has more than 2 different factors is called composite number. You can understand with the example. 2 more important points I marked here. 1 is a factor of every number. Whatever number you are having, 1 is the one of the factor of every number. The second point, every number is a factor of itself. That means whatever number, the same number is one of the factor of that number. These 2 points you have to keep it in your mind. Then next, what is twin prime number? 2 prime numbers whose difference is 2 are called twin prime number. What is called twin prime number? 2 prime numbers whose difference is 2 are called twin prime number. Example, prime numbers, first prime number you take 2. Second prime number 3. Is the difference is 3 minus 2, we are getting 1. So this is not a twin prime number. Now I will take 3. Then what is the next prime number? 5. Now, which is greater? 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Now we got the difference 2. So 3 and 5 are called twin prime number. Understood, children? I can give one more example. 5 and 7. Here 7 is greater. If we subtract 5, we will get the difference 2. So 3 and 5, 5 and 7, these numbers are called twin prime numbers. One more point you have to learn, that is co-prime. What is called co-prime? 2 numbers are said to be co-prime when they have only one as common factors. Here these 2 numbers should be prime number, but co-prime is not like that. 2 numbers are said to be co-prime. What? When they have only one as a common factor. Now I will take 3, 4. Here this number is a co-prime. Yes, here 1 3s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Here 1 4 is 4. The common factor what? That only we have to find out. 4 1s are 4. Here common factor is only 1. 3 here, 2 and 4. These two are different. So 3 and 4 as a co-prime number. You can take 19 and 20 also. 19 is a prime number. It has only 2 factors, that is 1 and 19. What are the factors? 1, 2 tens are 20, 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are 20, 10 2s are 20, 20 1s are 20. Here which are the only they have common factor should be 1. Here 1, 1. Remaining factors are not common. So these 2 numbers are called co-prime numbers. Understood, children? Please listen the video and try to understand the concepts. Children, now we are going to solve worksheet 1, first main. Fill in the following blanks. With the help of the definitions and explanation, we are going to complete the fill in the blanks. First one, number which has more than 2 different factors are called what? Numbers which have more than 2 different factors are called composite. What is called? Composite, or you can write composite number also. Now, second one, numbers which are not divisible by any other number except 1 and the number itself are called what? Number which are not divisible by any other number except 1 and the number itself called prime number. What number? It called prime number. Now, we saw all the examples 2, 3, 4, 5 and all. We never seen the 1. Why? 1 is neither dash nor composite. 1 is not considered as a prime nor composite. So that only we are not included the number 1 anywhere. It's called 1 is neither prime nor composite. It's not Prime one also, it's not a composite. Now, move to the fourth question. 6 is a composite number as it has dash factors. How many factors 6 is having, you have to find out. How you can? First you say, find the factor. 6. 1 into 6, 6. 2 3s are 6. Now again this 6 can divided by 3 2s are 6. Then 6 1s are 6. That's all. So how many factors it's having? 1, 2, 3, 4 factors. 6 is a composite number as it has 4 factors. Now we'll move to the next one. Dash is the only even prime number. You studied in 5th standard odd prime. In that, only one even prime number you are having. What is that? That is 2. 2 is the only even prime number. Now, we'll move to the next sum. The smallest prime number is. Which is the smallest prime number? The same 2 only is the smallest prime number. The smallest composite number is which one? 2, 3. Then what is the next number? 4. 4 is not a prime number. So it is considered as a composite number. The smallest odd composite number is. How you will find out? 1 is not prime and composite. 2 prime, 3 prime, 4 composite number. I will write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They are asking odd composite. Which are all odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. In this odd numbers, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number. 9 is a prime number? No, because it has more than 2 factors. It has 3 factors. In the example I already explained. So, the smallest odd composite number is what? 9. Understood? The greatest 2-digit prime number is dash. Greatest number 2 digit is 99. Before that, which is the greatest prime number? 98 is not. So, 97 is the greatest 2-digit prime number. Understood, children? So far I explained the definitions and worksheet 1 first main. Listen the videos and copy down all the definitions in your CW with 2 examples from your book, and worksheet 1 first main also you complete in your CW.